YouTube was cracking. So today, we're going to get the windshield put in for the OBS. I've been putting it off for a while because everybody wants to charge me 4, 5, 6, 7, 800. Man, I wasn't going for that. So I ended up finding this place out in Nashville, which when we get there, I'll show y'all that. But yes, man, it's time. This happened a few months ago. Well, maybe about a year or so ago. Bought a carburetor from a business, and apparently it had been sitting on the shelf for over 8, 9 months. So I didn't know that. Put it on my truck. Next thing I know, my whole engine caught fire. And that was the result. It started right there. So ended up over here, all the way over there. All that good stuff, as you can see. So today, I'm going to get that replaced. Gonna get everything together, get my wife up, get her going, let her drink her coffee, and we'll be heading out. So when we do that, I'll turn y'all back on. So just pulled up to the spot where I'm getting my new windshield put in. Pulled it straight in, getting her done. If you need some windshields, man, a lot of places trying to charge you. From the low price auto glass, Nashville, 615-350-7227, man. Right off Centennial Boulevard. Hey, man, I can't wait to get the old OBS looking better, man. You know what's going on. What's going on, bro? So they just pulled out. Look at her. Look real good. Even threw me some new windshield wiper blades on here. Look real good. Very satisfied. Real quick. Nice product. That was fishbowl. One of the crystal clear. Shout out Low Price Auto Glass. That wife over there looking crazy. She be trying to drive my truck like a race car. Yes. Made it back home. Y'all walk around. They did an excellent job. Very quick. Very good. Definitely will be using them again and will definitely recommend them. Cool people down there at, Low Price Auto Glass in Nashville, Tennessee on Centennial Boulevard, right by the pull apart. Definitely love them. The old OBS. Me and this truck got a real relationship, boy. Some days we have our days. I be ready to take it down through the And other days, boy, I just love it. Truck done came a long way. For y'all who seen it when I first pulled it out of the field to the first motor I put in it, the 350, to the what was it, the starter bolt, the starter hole breaking, having to get it welded. Decided to take that out and put this big block in there. Yes sir, that big block, I love that boy. But yeah, man, so like I said, me and OBS. You know what's going on, man. BM Customs, man. It is what it is, and we gonna make it do what it do. My old boy a little muddy right now. They say I gotta wait, 24 hours? Either 2 days, either 24 hours, I can't remember, but it's on my paperwork. Lifetime warranty. So, anything happen to it, man, we all good. But, like I say, very good quality. I don't think nothing's going on with it. Everything real good. So with that being said, man, we gonna end this video of the windshield installation. You know what's going on. BM Customs, baby.